Alrighty, so today we're going to go over estimating multiplication problems. What does estimation mean? Jillian.
It's rounding to the nearest number.
Okay, that's one part of it. Sarah?
Nearest you. Guessing.
Guessing. Yeah, that's good too.
Guessing to the nearest unit.
Yep. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have 12 cards in front of me. And they all have different multiplication problems on them. So what you have to do is one of you will pick a card and then we will look at the multiplication problem and then you will come up with an estimation on what that number is, what the answer is. Yes, Jillian.
What if you know the answer?
Then you write it down.
Okay.
Got it? Alrighty. Alright, Sarah, I need you to be paying attention and sitting down right. Okay, so, Jillian, would you like to pick a number first?
12.
Alright, 12. Are you guys ready? Do you have your dry erase markers ready?
Yes.
Alright. Remember, it's an estimate, so you guess how much it will be. So don't do any calculations.
We're not. We have the calculator over there now.
Wait until you're both done finding an answer. Are you done, Sarah?
No.
You have to make an estimation, remember? You don't write down it can be the wrong answer.
Yeah, I just put like, that plus that equals this probably, so.
There you go. That's good. Alright, are you both ready?
Yes.
Alright, put up your boards. Okay, 1,020. Sarah? About 8,000. Wow. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to discuss who is closer to the answer.
Okay, so can I,
So you're going to talk to Sarah, and Sarah's going to talk to you about why you got your answer.
I got it because 4 plus 4 equals 8, then 91 plus 92 equals something I'm now estimating. Also, 9 plus 9 equals 18. So about 91 plus 91, about 181. And, so 800, it's close to this. That's why I thought it would be 1,020. I got 8,000 because this was a 4 and it was coming here, so it was 4,000 plus 4,000 equals 8,000, and I just rounded to the nearest thousand. Oh yeah, I'm wrong.
You're good. Do you want to check the calculator for me?
Comma thingy. Yeah, you forgot to put the comma, so I got confused.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will do that next time, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to do one more? Okay.
Oh, can we do the calculator?
Yeah, Sarah, do you want to pick a number between 1 and 12?
1.
Okay, but I need you to sit down.
I know, I'm grabbing the calculator.
All right, I put a comma in here for you guys. Are you ready?